Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY&Crafts. If you're new to my channel, welcome aboard and I hope you'll consider joining my YouTube family. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I personalize this t-shirt for work. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please go ahead and do so. Also, make sure you click that notification bell so you can be the first to get my next upload. I also want to share with you guys that this is my first time and my first attempt personalizing a t-shirt. So guys, I received this press for Christmas. I am so excited. It's my first time using it, so I'm really excited using this. I'm still trying to figure out how to maneuver it. So for those who already have a press and know to maneuver, this video is not for people who already have a press. It's for people who are learning, people who are doing this for the first time. So yeah, so what I'm doing, I'm prepping the shirt. I put it on the press and then I'm just going to go around, put that over, and I'm just going to close that down on the shirt. And you can see where my temperature is set at 315 degrees and I have it set for 30 seconds. I'm just holding it down there to press my shirt. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fold my t-shirt in half, and this is just to find the center of my t-shirt. So when I place the vinyl on, it's centered. So what I did, I think I lost footage of this part of the video. I went ahead and I used my press and I pressed that seam in. So now I'm just going to use my ruler and I'm going to measure 3 inches down from the neck of the t-shirt. Then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put my decal right there to see how it looks. Guys, I cut out this decal, prior to this video. If you're interested in seeing how I do my decals, please go ahead and type me a comment in the comment section. I'll have an upcoming video for you guys on that. So I'm just bringing my decal closer to the camera so you guys could see what it said, and it's saying, "I can't stay home, I'm a respiratory therapist." Now, for those of you who do not know my profession of job, yes, I do crafting, but I am a registered respiratory therapist. So that's why I choose to put this on my shirt, because I will be wearing this t-shirt to work. So again, I'm using my ruler and I'm measuring to the side, and I want to make sure each side, right from underneath the armpit of the t-shirt, is the same measurement. So that's what I'm doing. I'm telling you guys, like I said, it's my first time doing this shirt and I do not want to mess it up. So yes, I'm measuring the life out of the shirt. Then I went ahead and I put my protective material down. Then I'm going to put my press over and I'm just going to close that down. I'm pressing at 315 degrees for 15 seconds. Once I press start, you could see the number counting down. I'm not sure if you could see this real clear, but the numbers are counting down and will tell me exactly when I need to take the press off the shirt. Look at me pulling up the machine. The struggle is real. I'm still trying to maneuver this machine. So that's my first press. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a second press. And the instruction on the type of vinyl I use say 10 to 15 seconds. And the type of vinyl that I use to create this decal is the Siser Easyweed Heat Transfer HTV vinyl. So now I'm just rubbing my hands over it. I'm trying to get it to be warm a little bit, so not hot. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel back the plastic from my vinyl. And I'm being real gentle here because I'm so excited and I don't want to rip anything. I don't know what's going to happen, but look at that. Guys, you should have seen my face when I first did this. I was so excited. I was so happy, but look at that. I'm happy I make this for me because I'm loving it. Yes. So now I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to be putting my name on the front over to the left side. So yes, I'm going to pre-press the area that I'm going to be placing my decal. Then I'm going to get my ruler and my decal and I'm just going to place that over, and I want to make sure it's lined up in the proper position how I want it to be. So yes, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place RT, which stands for respiratory therapist, right underneath my name. So when you see me at work, you can know that I'm not an RN or I'm not a doctor, MD, you know I'm an RT. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just measuring to make sure everything is lined up and make sure everything looks good. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my protective material over that. Then I'm going to press it again at 315 degrees for 15 seconds. And as you guys could see, I don't know if you could see, but you notice that I'm maneuvering the machine a little bit better and I'm moving a little bit faster. The more you do it, the more you become good at it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a second press just to make sure everything is stick to the fabric. I don't think you have to do a second press, but I chose to because I want to make sure everything goes well. So while fanning over my shirt, the top piece of the vinyl came off for that section, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel the second section off. Guys, I speed this video up so I did not pull it off that fast, but look at the final product. Yay, I love it. I don't know if you guys could tell, but the white, it has a little bit of glitter in it, and I just love how it looks. It's hard to tell. See, I'm trying to show you guys, but it's hard to tell in person. It's beautiful. You could see the glitter, and I love it. So that's me at work because I was so happy to wear my shirt. So if you enjoy watching this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can be the first to get my next upload. Type me a comment in the comment section, let me know what you think about my t-shirt. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.